Right, so I'm on the daily time frame here for DAR right now, and it seems like DAR has a level that has to be broken, and sooner rather than later, we're breaking out of this level at the moment, and that's amazing. Okay, so DAR in itself is looking to backtest this level, so it's been a sideways movement, consolidation movement, and what I'm going to say is that it came down, the buyers push it up, went up, sellers push it down again, and then the buyers push it up to this particular resistance, made a W, but still fail, and then the sellers push it down, buyers push it back up, and finally the sellers were able to manage to break it out of this level. So all I'm looking for is DAR to basically come down again to this level and backtest that level. So do keep in mind you have some sort of a morning star here, and a big stop loss should be placed down at 0.31392. If you start to take out that level, then it potentially could be the sellers are looking to push it again down to this level, the support level again. So what I want to say is that now that you've broken out of this level, come back for the retest, maybe retest this area, and the next technical target is going to be for DAR from there to there, and you're going to be looking to actually pop and move to this price level, which is going to be 0.40 cents at the moment. So it's a sideways movement, it's a clear break to the upside, amazing, and you're really trying to hold this level, hold it perfectly, bounce off this area, and you're good to go to that area because you've never really broken out of this zone. I just want to see the volume when you broke out of it. Yeah, so the volume was quite decent as well, so not a very bad volume. So let's see, finger crossed, this looks very positive to continue higher, and I do hope that it can actually bounce off this place and continue higher. That would be amazing, right? So that's it for DAR, very quick one, and let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Matic.